and then to create for their children peaceful, stable home of life as a foundation on which they can build their lives. But most of all, build up and to complete with the project that they now share, so that by their loving example, they may pass on the light of God to their children and to their children's children forever. To make a relationship work, it will take love. This is the core of your marriage, and while you are here today, it will take trust to know that in your hearts, you only want what is the best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another and to learn and grow together. It will take faith to go forward together without knowing exactly what that future brings. It will take commitment to hold true to the journey you both have to explore today. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you as husband and wife. Alberto, you may kiss your wife.